Hello, Facebook friends. This is Richard Berry with the Cisco's Group Realtors once again, talking about our new Suttle Woods development. In times past, you've seen me walk you through the development, look at houses, and have various aspects of living there discussed. Today, I thought I would talk a little bit about our online resources so that you can maybe do a little exploring of your own. Uh, right now, Jabari, my good friend Jabari, is at the neighborhood in case you'd like to go take a look or get some more information. And I'm here, but we'll be there in just a couple of hours and then I'll be there till the end of the Parade of Homes. As a reminder, the Parade of Homes is going to be ending Sunday at 6 p.m. And with that, our special that allows $7,500 in free upgrades will end as well. So if there's an interest on your part, give me a call and let's get that locked in so we can help you think about moving forward on that. As well, we've been discussing this a couple times, but if you'd like to see the neighborhood, but you're uncomfortable with an in-person meeting due to all the issues going on nowadays, feel free to give me a call and we can do a live virtual tour and chat with video so that you can see all the houses. You can direct me where you'd like to see, or if you have questions, we can answer that, so that you can still have the experience of going through the neighborhood without necessarily having to have direct contact with other people. Now, right now, as you're looking on the page, you see our Suttle Woods website, which is SuttleWoods.com. In here, we have a lot of different things going on, but right here under models, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 floor plans that are available for Suttle Woods. There is one I'd like to discuss in particular today because today is the day we reveal it. It's called the Wheatland. And let's click on that and we'll talk a little bit about it. One of the neat things about our new floor plan is that it has 2 bedrooms on the main floor, the master and a second bedroom, and it has 2 more bedrooms available in the lower floor. So technically, it's called a reverse story and a half plan. That means that the master bedroom is on the main floor. When you hear the words story and a half, it generally means that the master bedroom is on the main floor. When they talk about a reverse story and a half, that means there is a main floor and the other bedrooms are on the lower level. With the Wheatland, we have designed it where you can simply build the main level and defer finishing out the lower level till whatever time works for you. That gets your pricing much lower and allows you to still eventually expand to a reverse story and a half, which is one of the most desirable floor plans on the market. So you can start it as a 2-bedroom ranch and then expand it out to a 4-bedroom reverse story and a half. And again, it's the same quality as I've been showing you. It's going to have the upscale finishes. It's going to have the upscale outside with the nice accents, the uplighting, the underground sprinklers, the ginormous 2-car garage. So there's a lot to like. So let's use this particular new floor plan as a way to look at the website. So as I was mentioning before, it is SuttleWoods.com. And by looking at models, you can pick whatever floor plan you want to look at. And we're going to look at the Wheatland because, like I said, that's our newest one, and we're just announcing it today. So as I mentioned, it can begin as a 2-bedroom ranch, and it can expand, as I said, into basically another 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, and even a great room downstairs. So then you can end up with a 4-bedroom reverse story and a half that's still a townhome, easy to maintain, and very, very pretty. So what are some of the features? We are going with our trademark high ceilings. Main level is, I believe, 10 feet on this one. And we have a big master bedroom and a nice suite. And I'll show you the floor plan. So as far as the features, I'll let you take a look at that for yourself. There's no reason for me to read that to you. And here are the floor plans. And I will see if I can zoom this in to give you a little better feel for it. And so on our main level, we have our garage, as we mentioned. You enter through the front door, and in there, you have the great room. If you come in, like you drive in and you go into the garage, you come into the great room this way, or you can go left into one of the bedrooms, or there's a shared bathroom between the bedroom and the rest of the floor. But coming into the great room, then you can go into the kitchen, and through there, the dining room. Off the dining room is the master, back here, secluded from the rest of the house. And on back is a deck through here. And then you have the stairs going down And then you come over to the right floor plan here, and this is your lower level. This unexcavated area is under the garage, and it's not usable. It's just here because your outline of your foundation is still there. We have our heating and cooling, hot water heater, and storage in this corner right here. You have the TV room or game room, or however you like to finish it out as you come down the stairs. There's also a bedroom over here with a closet, and a bedroom over here with a closet, and a shared bathroom between the two of them. Also, the washer and dryer are down here so that you can have plenty of space to manage the laundry. Now, I know some people have a difficult time visualizing a floor plan from just these drawings, which is what builders use. So one thing all our floor plans have is an interactive 3D model. And what I mean by that is each one of these, we have this little window here. And if you click on the view home, watch what happens. It's loading all the little bits and pieces. What we have done is we have built 3D models of every floor plan to help you visualize what it is we're talking about, which gives you a much better feel for most people than just simply a 3D floor plan. So you can, by clicking and dragging, you can spin it around to whatever angle you want to look at. So let's talk about it this way, and it might make more sense than the floor plan. Obviously, we have our garage here. You enter into this entryway, and as I can zoom in here, you can see as you enter, you can either go straight ahead to the bathroom or to the left and into this bedroom. And the bedroom has its closet there, and it's fairly secluded. Over, if you turn to the right, you come into the great room. Let me back out just a little bit to make it a little easier to see. Sorry, that's too far back. So you enter this great room, which is also where the front door comes in. As you go past it, you have your kitchen with its pantry. You have your dining room. And then from the dining room, you have your entry into the master bedroom. I'm going to go ahead and spin this around to make it more obvious. The master bedroom then has its walk-in closet over here, and then a bathroom over here, which includes the double vanity, and then the shower and the toilet are in their own room to allow sharing of resources, if you will. Now, what about the lower floor if you want to finish it out? And and of course you have your deck out back for grilling and all the other fun things we like to do. Now, what if you want to look at the lower level? In this particular one, we have one lower level and then lower level with furniture. And that way you can kind of get a better feel for what it is. So here, you come down the stairs and you're coming into this great room right here. And this great room can be set up as a home theater or game room, whatever you like. In this particular instance, I went ahead and got it set up as a home theater room. As you can see the TV over there. Off that is another bedroom that can be used either as a bedroom or an office. It does have a closet. You have a shared bathroom right here. And then you have another bedroom over here, again, with a closet that goes out. So you have your extra 2 bedrooms down here, plus your bedroom upstairs. Now, it might still be a little hard for some people to envision how it works. So let's go back to the main level, and then we're going to go to what they call a virtual visit. Now, if you look, we're now by the garage door. Now, I'm going to go ahead. Fortunately, they're not solid. We can go right through it if we want. Boom. And we're in the garage, as you might have guessed, since there's a couple cars here. Either that or you got a real weird living room. So we're going to go through the door of that garage. This is not perfect, but it still gives you a feel. If we turn to the right, we'll go on, and like I said, I'm not too worried about walls. Here's the great room. And there's your front door. Then if you look to the left, here is the kitchen of the Wheatland. And like I said, it's not a perfect simulation, but it does give you a good feel for how the place lays out and how it looks. And as you look to the left, there's your dining area and the room to the master bedroom. Excuse me, the door to the master bedroom. If we continue on toward the back, you see the deck outdoors there. That's a French door I put in there, and then you can go down the stairs to the lower level. Now, if you want to look at the lower level, all we have to do now is say, okay, let's go to the lower level. If it's gray like this, it just means that we're not quite in the right spot. We're actually by the back door. It's just so close, that's a little hard to see. There's that laundry room I mentioned earlier. Here's our great room. As you look up over here, you can see that there's a bedroom here on the left, your bathroom in the center, and another bedroom on the right. And again, we can go look at them if we want. Let's look at the right bedroom, just for grins and giggles. And as you can see, there's the room. We can go on in it, and you can look at, again, get a feel for the room and how it interacts with the rest of the lower level. And again, if you want to go back to the aerial view, you just click here, and we're back to the level. And you can look at it however you want. This is available on each floor plan we have. For example, the tall grass, which is another one. And I won't belabor the point, but again, we have the tall grass, which is another story and a half plan. We have the floor plans, and again, we have the interactive model. All you do is click on View Home. It'll load up. It takes a couple seconds usually. And it's kind of fun sometimes to see it build all the little bits and pieces that make up the model. That rectangle there in the garage, you're going to see it become a car. There it goes. So now we can go ahead and look at it just like the other one. And again, we have the main level and the lower level on this one. And we also have options. So for instance, we have one called the Man Cave, which is a workspace that we put in. We put in a Samsung TV, and we can even add climate control, and all that's for additional cost, of course. So there are these options that you can look through. We also have the homeowners association docs and the restrictions for the neighborhood, and we also have the ability to chat with us if you want. And we have a virtual assistant that can answer some questions that may not be on the website. So again, if you want to look at some more at the Subtlewoods website, you are welcome to do it. It is again subtlewoods.com. We also have a packet with more detailed information available at the neighborhood. We'd be more than happy to have you walk through the lots with us to take a look at the floor plans. I can't tell you how excited we are about the Wheatlands because it really allows somebody to get in under $300,000. We think at this point we're firming up that price because, like I said, this is brand new, but we think it's going to be our least expensive entry-level plan that could still expand to one of the nicest ones in the neighborhood. So give me a call or email, text, chat, whatever, and we can do it. You can come by, of course, in person, and we'd be happy to show you everything. We've got a model home on site, of course. It is based on our Timberwood floor plan, and then we also have one that's available now based on our Sunflower floor plan, both of which are two-story plans, meaning that all the bedrooms are upstairs. And then the model home has a basement that will be finished, and the Sunflower has an unfinished lower level, but again, we can finish it out as well. So, and just so you know what to expect, the outside of our model homes are pretty much done. The insides are drywalled. We weren't able to wrap everything up before the Parade of Homes. Work on the interior will resume next week, but feel free to stop on by. You'll get a sense of the scale, the proportions of the house, the flow, the vibe. I think you'll be impressed. I've been through them, obviously, a lot, and I really like the natural light. We don't have power on in those buildings yet. That'll probably happen, like I said, in the next week or two. But you don't miss it during the day. There's just so much natural light. You hardly even notice it. So come on by and take a look. I'd love to meet you. And if you'd rather, like I said, if you're nervous about exposure to people, then just give me a call. We'll set up a video tour and have you walk through. I'll be your feet for you. So look forward to talking to you. And I know this video went a little longer than some, but feel free to look at our website. Feel free to leave messages if you'd like. And oops, I accidentally came off the website. Forgive me. There we are. And feel free to reach out with questions, comments, and we'll answer anything we can. Thanks very much. Look forward to talking to you later. Bye-bye.